Hello YouTube, welcome to Android Made Easy, episode 4. This episode will show you how to stay within your data limits and not go over and get charged extra. Alright, so the first application I'm going to show you today is called JustReader. It's a really nice application that lets you download your feeds when you're on Wi-Fi, and then you can just turn it offline mode and it won't try to sync them anymore. This way, you'll be able to download your pictures and websites and all that stuff when you're online, on Wi-Fi. And if you're on a bus ride somewhere or whatever, you can just read through them. So if you tap on a little green light, right here, it will give you an option to make it go in offline mode. I think that's a really nice feature because I use RSS feeds a lot. Alright, let's go back. Going back to the main launcher. The other thing I want to show you is Traffic Monitor. It's a really nice application that has a widget that lets you see how much data you've used up already. And it also lets you set alarms for the month and for daily data usage. If you tap on right here, the little globe with the spinny circles, the spinny lines, it will open up the application. And this will actually let you see how much data you've used up. Like right here. Wireless data is in yellow, and for gray, that's the Wi-Fi data. It will actually show you how much data you've used up. It says for mobile traffic, I've used up 1.3 gigabytes. It's probably hard for you to see. Wi-Fi traffic this month is 2.46 gigabytes. A really nice feature of this, besides the fact that it lets you just keep track of how much data you used, is if you click right up here where it says Apps, it will actually load up your different applications you have installed. And after you have this application installed, it will track how much data each of them uses. So let's just give you an example. Amazon. As you can see right there's the Amazon store. And it says Amazon has used up 5 megabytes of data so far. So that's good for me to know. Now I know that that's how much that used up. And IMDb is down here. That's only used up a couple kilobytes. So an example of the alarm system thing would be, you press back. Oh, this will, if you click on the application, it will give you a history of it, how much data it used today, yesterday, and the month. Alright, I'll press back. Press the menu button, brings up this menu. If you click Preferences, you can specify the traffic limit for that month, and also one for the day. So I have my monthly set to 2 gigabytes. I can set my daily to anything I want. I'm going to set it to like 100 megabytes. Press OK. And there we go. We have the mobile traffic limit set. You can click that to enable it. And it will say traffic limit reached at. And basically if you go over it, it will tell you when you go over the time. Basically I went over at 3:36 p.m. because I've already used up more than 100 megabytes that day. And we'll give you a little notification right here saying mobile limit exceeded. So that way you can at least track and make sure you don't use up too much data. So this application also has another pretty cool feature. You can click speed and see the speed of your current network. Right now I'm using Wi-Fi. It will calibrate and then it will run a speed and it will give you an option to run a speed test. And it will actually test the speed of the current network you're on. So yeah, that's just 2 really easy to use applications. The last one I'm going to show you is really helpful. It's for just general browsing. So you will need the Opera mobile browser for this next part. I'll link that in the description too. And when you're browsing the web of Opera Mobile, you can turn on Turbo mode, which will compress the pages and make them take up less data. Press the Opera button, go to Settings, and up here it should say Opera Turbo. And you can choose it to be always on or off when you have Wi-Fi. Here's off when you have Wi-Fi. This means that whenever I'm not on Wi-Fi, Opera will switch to Turbo mode. Now it will change your image quality a little bit, like as you can see the Google logo changed a little bit. Let's just go to pick image search. Yeah, your image quality will go down a little bit, but other than that, it's really nice. I mean, if you're just trying to check your, well, not necessarily Facebook, but if you're just trying to check something quickly on the web, it's really helpful. But the image quality does go down a little bit, as you can see with this picture. Although that's just a thumbnail. Alright, it's loading. Alright, as you can see, the image does look kind of nice, but if you start to zoom in, you can see that's been compressed. Alright, well that's it. Those 3 programs should definitely help you in your quest to use up less data. Alright, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then like this video, share it with your friends, all that good stuff. Alright, be sure to check out the other videos in this series, and have a nice day.